Get iPhone 13 at only rupees 49,900, which is the lowest price in the entire country. But hurry up as it is a limited time period offer. And where can you score this deal? At the Apple authorized iPhone premium store Placewell Retail in Siliguri. Today I am finally here at Placewell Retail, which is right beside Hotel Vinayak on Hillcard Road, and I am amazed by the offers they have at all their stores. And it doesn't stop at the iPhone 13. You will get other offers too, like you will get the iPhone 14 at only rupees 57,900, the iPhone 15 at just 66,900, and the iPhone 15 Plus at only 76,000 as well. Again, at the lowest price in the entire country. So whether it is iPhone 13, 14 or 15, Placewell Retail is the place where you will get the best of the deals. So come visit today at the Placewell Retail store in Siliguri, and remember, these deals won't last long. So don't miss these out.